Trying to make a little video for Ed and Gina. Say hi to Eddie and Nikki, bud.
Hi, Eddie and Nikki.
Tell them you're in a blizzard right now.
I'm in the picture right there.
This is crazy.
Hey, no, you don't got gloves on, bud. Let me get the gloves from the car. Hunt, I'm gonna go get the gloves, alright?
Alright.
Watch you don't fall.
Too late.
Greg, that's painful right there.
Gregory, looks like you're stuck, man. You can't move. The snow's deeper than you are tall.
It's like a dip.
Huh?
Right here, the snow is in there.
Huh. Screw this. I gotta shovel this shit out. Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. It's all being taped on my phone, Ed and Gina, just to let you know. So it's not. Rexy!
Hey, Dada! Dada!
Get off of me!
Rex! Come on! Don't you miss this snow? Miss this snow, guys? Greg, get up! Shit! Oh! I can't believe how deep that is.
Rex, come watch it.
Rex, come on!
I told you, Greg.
Come on, Rex!
Go back in with Daddy. I told
Gregory! Gregory!
Fine.
Come on, bud. Come on, you gotta come inside.